AJ, I'm telling you, my sister performed today here at Greater St. Matthew, the barbecue cook-off. You know, Loretta Williams Gurnell is the bomb.
Well, you know what, Tish, wherever Loretta goes, the Spirit of the Lord is, because she knows that worship is a lifestyle.
Yes,
it's not just
yes,
a song,
yeah.
and there's no better minister than one who understands the true meaning of worship.
That's right, and you know, another thing that she does is wherever she is, she gives it her all. If there's 1, 2, or 2,000 people in an audience, she gives it her all. She gives all praises to the Lord. And that's what it's all about. We need more of that, and we need more artists like that, like Loretta.
Because again, it's not just making a CD or singing a song.
Yeah.
It's truly doing what God has called her to do.
That's
and
right.
Just like Jesus had service by the well with one woman,
yeah.
Loretta will minister to one like it's 1,000,
That's right.
and 1,000 like it's one.
That's
so we
right.
Thank God for
and
her.
you know, I'm just so glad to know that she's my sorority sister. She's my sister in Christ. And we also shared the same award, 2008, for the Texas Gospel Announcers Guild. She was the Texas Artist of the Year, and I, Texas Gospel Artist of the Year, and I was Texas Gospel Announcer of the Year. So you go, girl. You keep doing what you're doing. You got it going on. And I tell you what, that CD, we're going to look for more CDs, and that will be Grammy nominated. That's right.
You just, Loretta,
we
keep letting God.
Oh, okay. Skip Stella.
Keep letting God use you. We thank God for you. God bless you. And tell my brother I said, what's up?
And you say, thank you.